Do you hear a thud or knocking noise coming from the rear of your Mercedes-Benz CLA? Let's talk about it.
You might be experiencing a few concerning signs.
A humming noise at low speeds.
A thumping noise while driving.
A strange feeling at low speeds. These could indicate issues within your rear differential. The importance of regular oil changes can't be stressed enough. Over time, wear and tear, like rear differential mounts, bushings, or internal gears, can lead to those unsettling noises. Here at Noblesse, we prioritize repair before replacement to save you money and keep your car running smoothly. Contact us today for a thorough inspection and quote on your rear differential center replacement. Bye!